YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Ronn.MostWanted. I'm back at you with another video, and it is currently Tuesday morning, and we are on the way to the service center to get the oil changed. Nah, you really a thought, bro. Like, you could have just let me in. That's crazy. Like, you really a muncher. But I'm on the way to the Infinity dealer to get my oil changed, everything situated, you know. See if they can tell me exactly what the problem is. Whether I have them fix it or not. You feel me? Because they probably gonna try to charge an arm and a leg. But like, since I'm getting the oil change there, I might as well just have them, you feel me, run me a little quote, see what it is the problem is, you feel me? Depending on what they charge, you feel me, I might just be like, nah, give me my car back. If it's a part I could swap out for like a aftermarket part, like some test pipes or like a whole new exhaust system, depending on what they say the quote is to fix it, then I might just be like, nah, give me my car back, and I'll probably just order like, I don't know, another exhaust or something like that, or some high flow cats. I hate driving with any kind of lights on the dash. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't know why I took so dang long to even do the TPMS light. I still ain't do that. But yeah, man, it also looks like I'm running a little bit late, cause there's a lot of traffic. But I mean, what else is new? You feel me? I should have known better. But okay, that little bump right there be scaring me. But feel me? So yeah, like I said, we making our way there, and I'm gonna see y'all boys when we get on the way. So we on the way to the dealer, or should I say the Stiller? I'm not gonna lie, I drove my car to the store a few times, and my MPG, my gas tank hasn't been draining like it did that one random night. So I really don't know what that was about. You feel me? I'm getting 14.5, which, I mean, that's lower than normal, but it's not terrible. That's like V8 gas mileage type shit. But yeah, man, I just hope and pray it's nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because if it's something crazy, I'm not gonna spend crazy money to get it fixed. I'm not finished racing this car out, bro. Like, the race car parts is supposed to come up next, bro. I gotta race the car out first. I know a lot of y'all probably say it's the opposite, but like, you know what I'm saying? Me, I like having a good looking car, you feel me? Like, it could be fast. Don't get me wrong, I like fast, but like, bro, I don't want a fast, stock looking car, you feel me? I like riding in style. I'm that type of person, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It had to start eventually. It had to start eventually. Bro, the maximum digging. Alright, gang. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. What should be like a little 20-minute drive is taking forever, yo. Like, I really hate traffic, bro. Like, I hate it. You never get used to traffic. And the thing about me is I get impatient. It's not a good thing. Patience is key, you feel me? Now I am late though. But, you know what I'm saying? I was on here listening to some gospel, you know what I'm saying? It's good to start your morning off with gospel before you get to all the rah-rah music, you know what I'm saying? You wanna start your spirit off peaceful, you know what I'm saying? At least I like to do that, you know what I'm saying? You know, I realize I feel a lot better in the morning when I listen to my gospel music first before I jump right into, like, you know, something ghetto. But I don't know. That's just me. But nah, for real though. Like, since I'm on this topic, man, you wake up in the morning, make sure y'all thanking God for waking you up, man. It's a whole lot going on in this world today. I ain't even come on here to preach, but I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I just felt like giving this message out. It's a whole lot going on in this world, you know, around us, close to us. But if you woke up this morning, man, you best get on your knees. Thank God for allowing you to see another day. Pray for your families, your loved ones, all of that, you know what I'm saying? Pray for peace and joy. Like I said, it's too much going on in the world today, man. So I hope y'all staying prayed up and keeping God first in your life. Because we got to do better as a people, man. Just thank God for the position that you in right now. You know, I got this car right here. I thank God for this car all the time. You know what I'm saying? I always say that. I thank God for this car, man. I thank God for everything, though. Not just the materialistic things. I thank God for, like, everything. When I say everything, I mean everything, down to my eyelids. But you got to thank God for everything, man, in the position that you in. Because a lot of times, and I'm guilty of it too, a lot of times we look at other people and the position they in, and we be like, dang, why can't that be me? Like, you feel me? Not necessarily jealousy, but just wishing that you was in a better position than what you in. But what you got to understand is God got you exactly where you're supposed to be. You feel me? If you don't have certain things yet, it's because you're not ready for it yet. You might wonder why you're not ready for it yet. Well, that's up to God. You know what I'm saying? But you got to thank God for the position that you in. You know what I'm saying? You got to pray for better. You got to thank Him for the good times and the bad times, man. But that's just a little morning motivation for y'all, man. Other than that, like I said, just stay prayed up. You know, y'all stay safe, stay prosperous, all that. You know what I'm saying? I want to see everybody win, everybody do good. But, you know, can I get an amen in the comment section, please? All right. All right, y'all. So we pulling up to the spot right now. And we about to see what they talking about. They not even open yet. But I'm assuming the service department is open now, because they told me to come in for 8 o'clock. It's 8:04. You know what I'm saying? Black people always got to be late. But, yeah, my girlfriend got her turbos done here. So, I don't know. I'm going to just pull up somewhere in the park and see what's the word. So, guys, I just dropped off the G. You know what I'm saying? They said they're going to call me back by 3 o'clock. Let me know what the issues is and have my oil changed and all of that. So, yeah, I'm just waiting on my Uber right now. I had to take an Uber back. I ain't have nobody to follow me today. Everybody had work. Feel me? So, yeah, it is what it is. But I'm going to keep y'all updated. I don't know. I guess after she give me a call, let me know what the issue is. Feel me? Then I'll tell y'all what they said. We going to see. I'm low-key. Is it weird that I low-key hope that it's something crazy so I can get an exhaust system? Or a Q. And they got a Q right here. This is a Lux for $48K, bro. Not gonna lie, that's mad crazy. I'd rather go to a used car dealership. Could probably get the same exact Q, probably like 10,000-15,000 miles for like 28, 24. Shoot. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I love the new Q interiors. I hate the fact that Qs come on run flats though. But I don't know. It is what it is.